this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I'm going to make a real quick card today for the Atlantic Card Sketch Challenge. So I picked, there it is, 561, and I cut a heart with my thin cuts, and I am using some of the leftover black and white dot paper from Let's Party, and I'm just sticking it on there. I'm not worrying about getting a triangle yet. And then I'm also taking some black cardstock and putting an angle on it, like according to that drawing, according to their sketch, and just getting rid of some of the excess. So I'm going to put that on. And then I have a right angle cut of some silver heart foil, and that is just the couple of inches of foil that I have left. And so I cut it at kind of a right angle, but it's sort of a quadrilateral there. It's kind of a funky size. So what I'm going to do, I've got the angles the way I want them, just lining that up with the edge in the corner, as I know that is the angle that I need. So I'm just going to flip this over and cut all the excess off. So I'm using my microtip scissors, which are a super fine scissor, super sharp, do a beautiful job of cutting detail. God, I love these scissors. So I have them wherever I happen to sit so that I'm never too far away from them. So I'm just cutting all this excess off. And it's just kind of not my usual to make a black and white Valentine, but the silver kind of cheers it up a little bit. And then you've got the big red heart to go in the middle, which just plays off of black and white. I think that's just one of my favorite color combinations is black and white and red. And if you want to add something in there, a gray, the silver is a good substitute. So I'm going to pop this up with some thin foam and just put it here and there. And I've got some little, well, it's sort of like fronds, leaves in red up there at the top, close to that scallop circle. Because I was thinking of using the scallop circle in there, but I decided to use a red heart. So these are actually pieces that I saved from the one card front that has all sorts of flowers, and the whole card front is cutouts of these. And so these are what you would normally just throw out. But I went ahead and saved them since they had shape and they were a complete branch. And so I just went ahead and saved them. And I am going to put that just on the side there, just like they're saying on the sketch. And so I'm just adding a little bit of stickum to help it lay down so it doesn't curl up and get bent. So I have one sticker here that comes from the Lovenotes paper and sticker sheet. And it just says, I love you, just super simple. And I wanted to add a little something. There, I'm doing a close-up now. Now you can see better. And so there's the better look of the sketch. And so I thought, you know, I've got these puffy hearts from the Lovenotes. And so I decided to pull one off in the same color as the background and add it. And so there they are, the puffy hearts. And there they are in all the colors. And so that just kind of finished it off. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.